All right, so the day has come for the boy to learn one of the most important things when it comes to driving a car: how to do a burnout. And plus, since he can't drive worth the crap, he got attacked by a spider. Where'd you find that at? And since he can't drive worth the crap anyway, we might as well teach him how to do a burnout.
I'm not that bad at it.
Okay, so before we get started, how do you think you do a burnout?
Hold brake and gas at the same time, then release the brake.
And then what are you going to do after you do that? Where are you going to go? When do you release the brake?
Once you hear the tire spinning.
No.
Once there's smoke.
Lots of smoke. Lots of smoke. You let off. What's going to happen when you let off?
You're going to shoot forward. Then
Hopefully you're going to shoot forward.
Then you
Sometimes you're going to go sideways. So we're going to start off slow. We're going to do this in a couple of stages. I'm scared to death. What am I thinking? All right, let's go. We're on a closed course in the middle of Mexico. And I just hope we can get back down the driveway without him hitting something.
Might hit something.
Are you on the pavement?
I am.
All right.
I'm not too sure because my truck bed's really high, but...
Yeah, come down here. All right. About right there should be good. All right. All right, so here's what we're going to start off easy. So hold the brake. Give it a little gas. Wait. So first, leave it in drive. We're in drive, right? We're in overdrive. So just leave it there. Give it a little gas. More. Get it. Romp it. What'd you let off for?
Because I felt it going sideways.
I thought you said it was just going to shoot straight.
Once I release...
Okay, so if it starts going this way, you got to turn a little this way. So we're not going to let off the brake yet. We're not going to do that, okay? All right, so go ahead, give it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, let off the gas. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. Woo. Let me see. Not bad. Okay. So this time,
I'm a little sideways.
I think you did okay. All right. All right. So we're going to do one more. This time, hey, pull up, straighten the truck up. Okay, that's good. This time, you're going to romp it. And when we start spinning, we're going to let off. Keep your foot on the brake. You see that big tree? That big tree right there. Mm-hmm. Don't hit that big tree. Don't hit that big tree.
I'll try.
All right, so give it half throttle. More. Ease off the brake. Okay, you gotta keep giving it gas while you do that. We're gonna black mark it all the way up the driveway. Back it up. The things I do for these kids.
Should be good, right?
Yeah. All right, gas.
Let me put in drive first.
Yeah, that's important. Gas. More. Let off the brake. More gas. Keep going. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. Let's go check out the black mark. Put it in park. It lost a little bit of rubber. Look like we almost got two of them going. All right. Not bad. Let's go do it again. That one sucked. All right. Okay, not bad for a first try. Not bad. We're gonna try to leave a mark though. We may have to go here and weld up this rear end. That way we can get a two-wheel peel out of this girl. If I give a little more. All right, record. All right, so this time a little more gas. Get the tire, get the smoke going, and then I want you to throttle the brake. Like gas, and I want you to ease off the brake while you're giving it gas. So you're not gonna let off and go boom. You're gonna like get it going, give it a little attention while you're going forward. I know that didn't make any sense at all, but all right, gas. Get the tires going. All right, let off the brake a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Gas. Oh yeah. Yeah, not bad. Okay, one more time, and that's all my heart's gonna be able to take today. So
He acts like I'm a horrible driver.
He's gotten better. What's wrong, sis? They're gonna tell the police we're doing a bonfire out here. All right. All right, now listen. Listen, I know this is fun and all. I know this is fun. Don't ever do this off this driveway. Okay? All right, I'll have to beat your head in. Not till you get older. So I want you to have fun like this. Not in a driveway or parking lot. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Last time. Please don't hit the tree. All right?
I'll try.
All right, go. Make it count. Okay. All right, that's good enough. All right, home and stopper. Let's go see what we got. Put in park. Not bad. Yay, look.
Hey.
We got a black mark. That one's not bad. Okay. All right, not bad. All right, so we got to do the proud daddy moment. Get up there and like get a picture with you. Get up there so I can get a picture with it. Get over here by it. Say cheese. Hold up, no, like a number one, like so it's your first burnout. All right, do silly face. Do a silly face. Sis, you want to get in there with him? You want a sibling picture? Okay. All right, well, good job, bud. I'm proud of you. You're becoming a man. Becoming a man. We gotta thank sis. Hey, sis. Say hey. She is our videographer. She's next. Hey, she don't know it yet, but I'm gonna let her get in all the old cars and probably do some fun driving with all the old cars. But she doesn't want to be on YouTube yet, so we gotta talk that up. But all right, come here, Blaine. Give us an outro. Come here. Give us an outro.
I don't know.
All right, go for it.
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. I'll wing it. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Just say the things and stuff.
What things and stuff?
The things like that. Say we're leaving and subscribe and like and all the things. You've watched enough YouTube. You know what an outro is. Come on, get it.
Like, subscribe, and don't share.
Hey, don't teach your kids this at home. This is bad behavior. Don't do this at home with your kids. Do it. It's awesome. Okay. See you later, guys. Hit the subscribe, like button. See you next video. See ya.